Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with an awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 12 pounds in 1 week. And it's so simple. I'm trying to bring to you guys simple, easy, quick ways that you can just get in and get out. And you can lose weight drinking these wonderful concoction drinks, okay? Simple and easy. I know you all have a busy lifestyle and it's hard sometimes to sit and conjure up some things, but I'm making it easier for you, all right? So let me show you 3-ingredient drink that you drink in the mornings. You can have this even up to 3 times a day if you want. You can drink it in the morning, you can drink it in the evening before bed. This is going to help to melt that fat in your belly in 1 week, okay? 12 pounds, 1 week. Before starting the video, if you're not a family member and already subscribed to this channel, stop and hit that subscribe button down at the side, alright? And after you hit it, hit that notification bell next to it. And when you hit that, set the personalizations all the way to all. You will not miss another one of my videos, okay? So now let's move forward, and without any further ado, let me show you the simple, easy weight loss recipe. Alright, you guys, and this is working with these wonderful simple ingredients. Now today you're going to need your personal size NUTRIBULLET blender. So if you have one, you need it, okay? But what we're working with today, we get our little blender cup on the side. We're working with some organic honey. We're working with some lime. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon. It's okay, alright? We're also working with about 3 tablespoons of our ginger root. And also 1 cup of water, and also we're going to need 3 tablespoons of our aloe vera plant. Alright, but I've already pre-made some of this. So in our cup, we're going to just put in our 1 cup of filtered water. Then as far as our aloe vera, I had already pre-blended some aloe vera juice, so I'm just going to put 3 tablespoons of that into our cup. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of our organic honey. All right. Now we're just going to cut up your ginger root, okay, and then toss that in there. Toss that in your cup, okay. And then lastly, what I'm going to do is squeeze the juice of my lime into my cup. All right, now let's get to blending. Okay, just shaking up some of that honey at the bottom. Okay, and let's get to blending. Alright, so we're back. We finished blending up our drink. And what you're going to do is you're going to pour this and drink it right away. Do not have it hanging around in your refrigerator. This is an instant drink. And you're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. And you can also drink this again right before bed. This is an awesome way to lose weight and very easy. Now, let me just warn you guys. If you do not know the taste of aloe vera leaf, just know that it's very bitter, okay? In Jamaica, we have something called living bitters. Sour, bitter. But it's very healthy for your body, for purging your blood. And this is what's going to do it for you. Aloe vera is also like a laxative. And the reason why we use 2 tablespoons of honey is to try to combat that bitter taste. So just know, if you need a little more water to dilute it, I suggest you do so. You can drink this warm. You can drink this room temperature. You can even throw some ice cubes in it just to help with the flavor. But this is an awesome, easy way for you to lose 12 pounds in 1 week. This is extremely powerful and fat burning drink. You will lose 12 pounds in a week. All right? So you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family also on a weight loss journey. And check down below for these wonderful items. Your personal size NUTRIBULLET as well as your full size NUTRIBULLET. They're very reasonable. And this is not a sponsored video, so I do not make money from this, okay? Also, check down below for these awesome reusable straws. They come with their own brushes. It's a nice set that you get, and it's safe for the environment. It's also good for your enamel, especially when we're drinking these acidic detox teas, okay? So you definitely should drink those with the straw. And like I said, y'all, this is an awesome, powerful weight loss drink. So thanks again for joining me on this wonderful video. Like, comment, share down below. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to this channel. And you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And I will join you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.